Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are seeing me, I am Noel Vaz and you are new here. Hi, what's up? For the rest of you guys, hi, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm back again with another story time video. As you can tell by the title of the video or wherever YouTube decides to put it the next 5 years, probably years or title of the video, I'm going to be talking about the time how I got suspended from school for having porn on my phone. Am I allowed to say porn on YouTube? I don't know, but we'll figure out. I mean, I've dived in already into this bundle of weird words and now I can't come back out, So this goes way back into 11th grade of school. Now, I did my schooling and my studying in Muscat. Now, no, Muscat is not in Dubai for anyone else who always goes like, oh, Muscat is in Dubai, right? No, it's not. For a matter of fact, Dubai itself is not in Dubai. Dubai is in UAE, which is United Arab Emirates, which is a country by itself, and then there's Dubai in it, and then Muscat is just separately in its own thing in Oman. I don't know, I'm so pressed about it, but honestly, I cannot stand it when people go like, oh my god, it's in Dubai. No, it's not in Dubai. No, it's not in Dubai. Just like, it's not in Dubai. But yeah, I studied there, and this was around mid 11th grade, I want to say. This was when the iPhone 5 had just come out, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on it. So me being the little bitch that I am, I needed to show this off to everyone in school. Now mind you, we weren't really allowed to take our phones to school, but I still kind of wanted to. I mean, we all were rebels at one point, like we all took our phones to school, but like karma got me back. Let me just say, this was one of the days when I just decided to take my new phone to school this time, and so I took it to school. Obviously, I think I said took it to school so many times that you guys are probably like, shut the fuck up, Noel. Now, normally when we take our phones to school and if there's checking on that day, our prefects or our monitors or whatever in our class would always come and let us know well in advance so that we could hide our phones. And usually, if we had a checking on that day, I would usually take my phone, slide it into my pants. Now I know half of you guys are probably like, ew, but then the rest of you guys know what's up because like y'all have done that in school too. Don't be lying to me, especially people from my school watching this. Y'all have definitely done that. Don't even, bless you, don't even come at me for 1 second being like, ew, you put that in your pants, because y'all have put it in way worse places and I know about it. So by now the word had spread that I already got a new phone, and many of my friends already knew that I was getting a new phone to school. That I was getting my new phone to school, and so everyone was pretty excited to see this new iPhone 5 because very few people had it by the time it actually released. And just to let you guys know, this was just the third day of me having my phone, by the way. So today, surprisingly, out of nowhere, they decide to have a surprise checking. Now usually, as I said, I always get notified, we all actually always get notified way well in advance, but today, for some damn reason, and this is what really annoys me because I knew that it was done on purpose, but I will get into that. For some reason, I wasn't informed and nobody else was informed in class that there was going to be checking. Now when I say nobody was informed and when I say it was surprise, I mean legit the doors open and every faculty member is inside this classroom, including our own prefects. So they're standing right and everyone has divided the work to check each one's bags, each one's everything, and I at this point cannot flinch because if I move for 1 second, they will know what's up. And I couldn't hide my phone because it was in my bag. Now as they're getting closer, I know that I'm running out of time to hide and now I have to start thinking of an excuse because my turn to hide this thing is already gone. Now I kid you not, when I say I was shitting bricks, I was shitting bricks. Because I knew that this was like a new phone and it's already going. Like, do I even have to tell you guys what happened? My phone got confiscated. Like, they found the phone, they took it. But here's where shit really irks me. Like, it pisses me off. Now usually if they would confiscate phones, right, they would take your phone, they would usually send like a letter to get it signed by your parents, and then they would return your phone either the next day or even the end of that day. But today, things were very different when it came to my phone in particular. The prefects come back with my phone and they demand me to open it up. Now firstly, I don't think that's even legal to like go through someone's phone, let alone go through someone's things, but I did not know how things work, and probably they do have it legalized because like I had their phones in their property and it was probably written in some fine text on some terms and conditions in the freaking school's manual. I don't know, but it was probably whatever. And so they keep demanding and I keep refusing, but eventually I decide to just tell them the password, and then they had the phone all to themselves for a good half an hour. I do not know what they went through, but here's where my story comes in. Now, back in the day, or even today actually, so when you download like a picture or a video or whatever, it directly saves it to your gallery. And I had that feature on. Now, I did not know what was in my gallery, I did not know what was in my photos. Because honestly, there was like a flood of like group images, group pictures, whatever just came in went in there. So I really did not know what they would find on my phone. I just gave it to them because they kept demanding it, and I was pretty sure in my head that I had nothing to hide, or like even if I did have something, I didn't feel like it should have been a problem. But no, mister. They had different plans for me. Out of nowhere, they come to me and they say that your phone will not be given back to you and you have to call your parents because we found porn on your phone. And at this point, I'm like really like trying to grill my head, and I'm just like, what porn video did I save into my phone? Or why did I download a porn video? Or why is it in my phone? Or why is it just like open for everyone to see? I was so freaking confused. I was like, okay, listen, this cannot be it. Why is there porn on my phone and who sent it to me? Because like at this point I was like thinking, I was like, it was probably from WhatsApp. Like that's the only explanation I could think of. But anyway, they tell me to call my parents, and so I call my parents the next day. My dad's sitting in the office, like in the vice principal's office, and they go like, we have found porn in a child's phone, and so Noel will have to be suspended. So my dad goes into full defense mechanism and asks them how dare they check the phone, why did they do this, blah 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 blah. There's like a full banter going on between them, and just like back and forth, hatred. And I was just standing there like, what the fuck? I don't even know what video you guys are talking about. My dad actually even suggested to not suspend me and probably call me to school every day, make me sit outside the class and do maths, because that would be more of a punishment. And I low-key agreed to it because like, why would you suspend me? I would low-key just enjoy the suspension, but like, cool. But they were hell-bent and they said, no, we are gonna suspend you. Once again, not telling us what the video was, which was kind of weird, right? I know, exactly. And so we say, okay fine, we'll take the suspension, and I get my phone back. Now my dad is like, I really want to know what you have been saving on your phone, so you have to show it to me. When I say this was the least porn video I have watched ever in my life, you know what I'm talking about right now. Yeah, I really got suspended for that. And you know what the funny part about all of this is? The people who actually watched that video and claimed it to be porn were my age. Like, they were my prefects. Like, honey, come to me, I'll show you what actual porn is. But I mean, I guess you can consider that like soft porn. Like, but either way, it's my phone, it's in my phone. How does it bother you? What the hell? Like, but yeah. That's how I got suspended for 3 days. And might I add, those 3 days of my suspension were actually really nice 3 days. Like I went out, I hung out with friends, I didn't have to go to school, and we all best be knowing that bunking school is the best thing ever. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this story time. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and do share this video with whoever you feel like sharing. If you want to share it, I don't know. But something that you should do, something that I know that you should do, is subscribe to this channel. I'm getting really annoying with this all this subscribing. Honestly guys, if you don't want to subscribe, you know what, don't subscribe. Who am I to tell you, right? Why should you listen to me? Who am I? I'm just kidding, please subscribe. Thanks. Okay, cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.